Super quick tutorial on how to use Dream Lab in Canva. If you do not know what Dream Lab is, it is a way to create designs of pretty much anything that you are thinking up in your head. If you've ever had that project that you know exactly what you want, but you can't come up with it, this is exactly what Dream Lab will help you with. Let's try out something that I used in my most recent video. I wanted to find an image of birds nestled in a stack of teacups. So that is exactly what I typed in to this prompt. So I'm describing my image in a few words. Create an image of a baby bird nestled on a stack of vintage teacups. Create. And then you'll get a few different options. And if you don't like what you get, you can create something different. I've never had this happen before, where a lot of people are trying to use Dream Lab right now. That's interesting. But I love which one I came up with. Look at this. Now, in the one that I did before, you will see, where is it? Here it is. I wrote elegant teacup stacked 3 cups high with a little bird nestled on top. So that is where I came up with this image, which I ended up using in my project. I use these images for reverse transfer method on my channel, Sparks of Joy Studio. You are welcome to check that channel out. I'll leave a link in the description box below. That is really it. Once you have the image you want, you just hit download and it will download to your computer or to your photos. If you are using an iPad or an iPhone or another smartphone, I'm an Apple person, so all my stuff is Apple. All right, let's say I'm choosing my image here, and I notice that right here at the bottom, there is possibly like a copyright or something. I want to make sure that I'm using it in a different way. So I'm going to open this in Editor. And we can remove this background using the background remover, which is up here. If you see right there, I'm going to go ahead and click that and it removes the background. Now, if you still want to have like a nice photo looking image, you don't want it to just be a white background, you do have an option of going to elements. And I usually start by choosing a wood background, or I'll choose like a chippy wood paint, something like that, to kind of get a cool background effect. Let's see. The other option would be, here, let me show you the other one. Chippy paint on wood. And go to photos. Maybe we'll take away this part and leave it as just chippy paint. Still not getting what I want. Wood, scrap wood with chipped paint. Let's try that. Here we go. There's an example. And then when you right click or double tap, if you're using a Mac, set as image background, and now you have a new background. If you don't like the way that background looks, you can always change it out. Replace background. And you can just mess around with this until you find the image you want. That's the best part about using Canva. You are using a lot of digital images that are available on the web, but you are making it your own by kind of editing and mixing together different types of images or text or, whatever else you're looking for your project. That one's not bad. I kind of like that. Now, let's say I'm not sure if I want to keep this or not. If you go up here to this part, you can duplicate the page and you can try out different backgrounds. Oops. To see if maybe there's something else you would prefer. So I'm just going to move this so I can delete that background. Start with our clean white background again. And let's do the wood paneling. Well, that's interesting. Oh, that's cute. It looks like it's sitting. And we'll try one more. Let's delete that. What other options could we have? What if we just had a regular background like this? I guess I really liked that it was, in the original, it looked like it was actually part of a room, and I liked that. That's what I'm trying to recreate. And that looks cute as well. So, again, make this your own. Do what you want to do for your own project. And, just be mindful of copyright laws and not selling this as, your work. You're using this for your projects, not to sell. So, that's the only advice that I would give, from me to you. All right, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Be sure to hit like and subscribe if you'd like to see more digital videos like this and digital tutorials like this.